Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn the toggle keys on or off on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and then select Settings. Select Accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side you want to scroll down underneath Interaction and select where it says Keyboard. You want to go and see where it says Toggle Keys. Play a sound when you press Caps, Num, or Scroll Lock. Either turn that on or off depending on your preference, and that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.